If you have woolen carpets, cleaning them is quite a task. But worry not, when you have Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. Hire us, and our professional carpet cleaners in Melbourne will end your carpet cleaning woes in no time. It will particularly help you keep them spick and span and free of COVID-19 in this pandemic recovery period. They would hang them straight. Woolen fibres have a lot of overlaps and grooves that arrest a lot of dust. Thus hanging the carpet will eliminate the folds, and then our pros would whack them with a rug beater or a broom. Vacuuming. Now that the superficial dust particles have been beaten off, they would take them indoors and vacuum it properly, to dig out the dust and dirt that have got embedded deep inside the surface root. Get rid of the dirt patches. Now they will pour a capful of recommended wool rug cleaner into a bucket full of normal water. They will take a piece of sponge, moist it, not soak, with the solution, and dab the areas till the patches are gone. Drying the areas. Once the patches are gone, our professionals will blot the areas with clean, dry trowels repeatedly till they lose the moisture. Hang them yet again. Now they will hang the carpet yet again in bright sunlight, till the moisture evaporates entirely. Once done, the carpet is good to be used, yet again. Something that is best done by the seasoned professional carpet cleaning companies in Melbourne, more so during the pandemic recovery period. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.